Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw USD from Kraken to Bank of America. First thing I want you to do, you can come here, click on withdraw from the dashboard home section, or click withdraw cash here as well. And then you choose your asset method, right? So asset, we'll just leave it at US dollars. Method, we'll do ACH transfer, right? Or you can also do any of these as well, leave it to ACH. And you need to add a bank account, right? So click here, continue, add your bank account. Use your name on your account. Remember, this name must match the one on your Kraken account. So enter your account number, routing number, account type. You need to choose that as well. Okay, just enter these details. Then hit add bank account. And you need to, of course, enter the withdrawal amount. So you can even, set a percentage that you want to withdraw, right? Then you confirm your new withdrawal address, hit your confirm address, and then click here, withdraw USD, and then just confirm your withdrawal. Okay? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.